Hey, it's Hannah with WTI, and get ready to change the way you think about fondue with this Evolution Fondue Set from Fondussimo. Most people think that fondue is just cheese or chocolate, but with this awesome fondue set from Fondussimo, this is created for broth and meat. So I was able to host a wonderful little ramen fondue night, and I love all of the features that come with this fondue pot. It has a magnetic power source, so it plugs right in easily. And the coolest thing are these little baskets. So everyone can put their specific items that they want in their own basket, and you don't have to fish around for your dumpling or your noodles. They are all right there for you. It has this protective layer on the outside, and the thing with these baskets is so cool that they can sit up at the top and drain very easily. We were having the best time making our own little spicy ramen bowls, being able to add our own ingredients and have them just for ourselves. And the best part is when we got down to the bottom of the broth, I just added everything in here and cooked it all up so we could have our soup for the next day. I really love everything about this fondue pot, and I highly recommend it. This is my new favorite thing to host dinner parties now. I am so happy with this fondue set. I think you're gonna love it, and that's my point of view.